Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Geneseo, local and long-distance movers near me. We make it so much easier to handle a long-distance move by offering packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Relocating isn't the easiest thing, and it's difficult to get settled in. We might not be able to show you around your new city or help you get settled in, but we can make moving less stressful. Whether you're going 100 miles or even 2,500 miles away, we can make it much easier. When you choose to hire an Illinois moving company for your local move, you get the help you need. No more having to beg friends and family to help with loading up the truck or packing things up. Instead, you get professional movers to help you save time and keep you from doing any of the heavy lifting. We're using 3 movers for even the shortest move can save you plenty of time. We do the hard work for you so you don't have to. Our team will make moving days so much easier, and you can concentrate on settling into your new location. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Geneseo moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.